If you want to turn on or off service mode on the JBL Flip 7, then first of all you will have to turn on your speaker by using power key, and now you will have to connect USB-C cable into the charging port, and this cable can be connected into your charger or for example into any power supply, like for example your PC. Now you will have to click and hold two buttons combination, play button and the Bluetooth button, so at the same time. And right now we have to hold it for around 10 seconds. First of all, the speaker will turn off and then it will turn us on, and we have to release both buttons. So just be patient and keep holding. Just wait for it. There we go. Now you can release and we are in service mode. So now when you unplug the cable, the service mode will be turned off. When you plug it back, the service mode will be turned on back. And now you have to wait until it will be turned on back. And to turn it off, you have to just do the same. So basically click and hold the play button and the Bluetooth button until the speaker turns off. So I'm gonna show you just how it looks. Just be patient. Now release, unplug cable, click on the power key, and the speaker will be turned on, without that service mode. So that's how it works.